Have you ever wondered why two people with the same income and opportunities can make drastically different financial choices? Why some thrive financially while others barely get by? The answer isn't just in numbers, it's in the psychology of money. Today, we'll uncover the hidden forces shaping your financial decisions and how understanding them can transform your relationship with wealth. Imagine two individuals, Sarah and John. Both earn $75,000 a year, yet Sarah saves 20% of her income, while John struggles with credit card debt. What's the difference? It's not intelligence or education, it's perspective. Sarah grew up watching her parents save diligently, valuing financial security. John, however, grew up with a live-for-today mindset after witnessing a financial crisis wipe out his family's savings. Their choices are shaped by their experiences, not their knowledge. Our financial decisions are often rooted in stories we've been told or experiences we've lived. Most people believe they make rational financial decisions, but the truth? Emotions often have the final say. Think back to the last time the stock market crashed. Did you feel a wave of fear urging you to sell everything? Or during a booming market, did greed push you to invest in risky ventures? These emotions, fear and greed, are universal, and they often override logic. During the 2008 financial crisis, millions sold their investments at record lows, driven by fear. Those who stayed the course, however, often saw their portfolios recover and grow over time. This shows how emotional decisions can sabotage long-term goals. Now let's talk about one of the most overlooked forces in finance, compounding. It's a simple concept with extraordinary results. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, didn't amass his fortune through risky investments, but through time. He began investing at 11, allowing decades of compounding to work its magic. Here's the catch. Compounding only works if you stay consistent. The hidden force here isn't just math, it's patience. Most people underestimate the value of long-term thinking in a world that rewards instant gratification. In today's world, social comparison is one of the most dangerous hidden forces shaping financial decisions. Seeing others flaunt their wealth online often tempts us to spend beyond our means, trying to keep up. But here's the truth. What you see is rarely the full picture. Chasing someone else's lifestyle can lead to poor financial decisions. As Morgan Housel writes, wealth is what you don't see. True financial success often comes from restraint and discipline, not flashy purchases. Here's a humbling thought. Luck plays a significant role in financial outcomes. Bill Gates was lucky to attend one of the only schools with access to a computer in the 1970s. On the flip side, risk can derail even the best-laid plans. Understanding this balance is key. Don't mistake someone's wealth as purely a result of their intelligence or their failure as purely incompetence. The hidden force here is humility, accepting what you can't control while focusing on what you can. Your financial journey is shaped by hidden forces, your past experiences, emotions, the power of compounding, social comparisons, and the balance of luck and risk. By understanding these, you can make better decisions and take control of your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and always remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. And remember, these lessons come from the book, The Psychology of Money, a must-read for anyone serious about mastering their finances. Until next time, keep climbing that ladder of financial success